Hi, we're students at
Stephen Decatur Middle School
in Brooklyn, New York.
and our teacher is Miss Franklin.
And we want to tell you
what it's like to use
VMT
in our math class.
So you might be wondering, what is VMT? VMT stands for Virtual Math Teams. It's a website with activities that help you learn math. Let's hear how students at Stephen Decatur describe VMT.
If I had to describe VMT, it was sort of like a mix between work, a game, and teamwork.
To me, you're having fun, and then at the same time, you're learning something new.
It allows you to work with other people. I would say it's like a puzzle game. Every single person in your group has to put like a piece in to complete the puzzle. To me, it helps me understand what I did wrong and what I got correct.
what I would say about VMT is that it's like an
educational game,
educational game.
Educational is still educational.
a way that you can like have fun while doing math.
And you learn a lot from it, from both it and your classmate.
and also it helps you to cooperate because only one person can take control. You have to actually take turns and cooperate with other people.
In summary, VMT is a website where students work together in small groups to solve different types of math problems or VMT activities. While one group member is in control of the screen, the rest of the group can offer suggestions and different perspectives in the chat to solve the math problem together. Collaboration in VMT looks like brainstorming about the problem in the chat and taking turns to let someone else attempt to solve the problem. This is what the chat looks like. Everyone can use it to share their ideas. In order to give everyone a chance to participate, VMT encourages students to take turns by only allowing one person to be in control of interacting with the dynamic math at a time. This is how you take control.
I would say the animation and the chat are what makes it the best.
Videos and animations and stuff.
Is the animations, the chat. With the animation, you can actually like see it, and that actually does make it more intriguing.
I like the chat because people you don't talk with, it gets randomized, so
You can talk to other people without actually speaking. So you can actually tell people what you're thinking.
and then y'all become friends. That's why I like the chat more.
What I think is most fun about VMT is, I don't know, just the way it is, like just the way it is.
As you heard, the chat and game-like graphics make it unique and super fun to use. Here are some of the activities developed and adapted using Desmos for VMT. The activities are designed to incorporate student interests, whether that be basketball or popular folk tales. That way, math ends up feeling more personal and playful. The math you work on in VMT is unlike most math you may have done. For example, say you were learning how to interpret a graph using this classic slope worksheet. VMT with Desmos offers you an opportunity to learn the same concepts in a more interactive way. As you could see in the tortoise and hare problem, VMT math is more about the process rather than getting the right answer. In fact, there may even be multiple correct answers. And if you want to double check your work, VMT allows you to go back to previous screens to review past problems and revise your current answer. This uniquely iterative process allows you to constantly activate and build on your math knowledge. Lastly, let's hear what advice students have about using VMT.
Don't be afraid to skip a question if you don't understand, because you could come back.
Patience, I think, because, sometimes people, when something's too hard, they just give up.
It's not as hard as you think, and it's a combination of fun and like work at the same time.
We hope you have fun exploring and doing math in the different types of VMT activities. And as the student said, don't be afraid to try something new, make mistakes, and ask for help. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.